Today, we're going to talk about a very important issue that's affecting many gamers out there. Even game developers are warning people not to install the latest Nvidia drivers. Yes, you heard that right. Game developers are actually telling people to avoid installing the latest drivers and instead roll back to an older version. So, what's going on? Well, it seems that the latest Nvidia drivers, specifically version 572XX, are causing a lot of problems for gamers. These problems include frame drops, stuttering, black screen bugs, and even game crashes. These issues are not just minor annoyances, but they can actually ruin your gaming experience. Game developers are now warning their users about these issues and advising them to avoid installing the latest drivers. Instead, they recommend using driver version 566.36 for RTX 40 series and newer. This version seems to be more stable and provides a smoother gameplay experience. It's really surprising to see game developers warning people about the latest drivers. Usually, they're the ones who are pushing people to update to the latest drivers. But in this case, it seems that the latest drivers are actually causing more harm than good. So, what can you do if you're experiencing these issues? Well, the first thing you should do is check if you have the 572 driver update installed. If you do, then you should roll it back to version 566.36. It's really important to be careful when it comes to updating your drivers. While updates can often improve performance and fix bugs, they can also sometimes cause new problems. So, it's always a good idea to do some research and read reviews before updating to the latest drivers. In this case, it seems that the latest Nvidia drivers are causing more problems than they're solving. So, it's best to avoid them for now and stick with an older version that's more stable. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you like our video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.